Okay, this is a follow-up to my video on cleaning the inside of the Glowforge. Now, I knew that you had to clean the exhaust. That's in the official Glowforge support directions in terms of cleaning the machine. But they only mention cleaning the actual vent tube. All right, well, I have a flexible vent tube. It's cheap. I figured I'd just replace it. My Glowforge is in a tight spot, so I never even looked back at the actual fan. People on the forum here, in response to my video, asked, well, how do you clean the fan? I didn't know, so I decided I would pull my table back and take a look, and I was absolutely shocked at the filth, the crud, the caked on junk that was on this exhaust fan, and I was even more shocked that the Glowforge was designed in such a way that you can't really clean it, that you can't remove the fan, you can't access, you can't remove the grill. It's just very poorly designed in this respect, this one aspect. You know, I don't have a whole lot of negative things to say about the machine, but this is a negative. And I will say, when I did get the Glowforge, another aspect about this area that I was put off by was the flange was just so short, and it was kind of difficult to clamp the tube on, the vent tube on in the first place. But anyway, I digress. The point is, it's very filthy. It's going to get filthy, and I really don't know what to do about it other than try your darndest to do the best you can. And that's what I'm doing here. Basically, what I did is I used pipe cleaner, contact cleaner, and if you get contact cleaner, make sure that it's plastic safe, doesn't have any chlorine solvents, etc. in it. Use the vinegar water solution if I didn't say that already, canned air, and a microfiber cloth. And basically it's just spraying this stuff down, vacuuming it out. I used a shop vac this time instead of a dust buster. It needs a lot of sucking power here. And that's basically all I did. Now I'm going to let the video run. I'm not going to comment over top of it or anything like that. Basically you can see what I'm doing. I will ask you to excuse my big head as it gets in the way a couple of times, but other than that, I'll just let you watch. You can see the before and after. It's definitely better afterward than it was, than the before. But it's not perfect, and I'm not quite sure what to do. And quite frankly, I'm a little disappointed about it because I cannot see these fans lasting, very long, especially if you don't clean it regularly. And I mean regularly. I should have cleaned this multiple times beforehand. But in any case, here it is. In its entirety, and I hope it helps somebody. Thanks.